Welcome to the channel. Today we are making a wedding arbor or wedding arch, but in the shape of a triangle. So to get my angle, I'm lining up the two outside corners of the 2x4s, which will be the top peak of the triangle, marking a line at the bottom of the 2x4, and then I will connect that top corner to that bottom line right here, and that'll be my angle. I'll just cut right there and I'll have the angle that I wanted. So materials for this project are two 8-foot long 2x4s, two scrap pieces of 2x3s, a 12x2, and then some L brackets and some screws. This is the bottom of the triangle. If you can see, it wasn't sitting flat on the ground. I wanted to fix that, so I used a 2x3 and drew a line. This is that 12x2. I'm cutting it to 30 inches long, and then I will rip it in half. So I will have two 30-inch long, 6-inch wide, 2-inch thick feet for this. And this is my scrap 2x3. I already had an angle cut in it, so I just used that, but they were a little long, and I wanted that bottom flat, just like I did the other legs. I don't think the angle really matters, so you can cut whatever angle you like, whatever angle you think looks better. This is what I thought worked and what I thought looked good. I sanded everything smooth with 220 grit sandpaper. These are what I used to hold the top of the triangle together. I used 3 of them. That might have been overkill, but I wanted it to be sturdy. This is the bottom of the triangle. I'm about to attach the feet right here, but this was kind of difficult one person, but I got them on. The camera angle isn't the greatest, but all I did was screw up through the bottom right into that triangle. And again, the camera angle here isn't good, but this is that support piece, 2x3, screwed right into the side of the foot and then right into the back of the triangle. Here's a little bit better of an angle on this support piece for the other side. Hope it makes a little bit more sense now. Once this is attached, the project is done. It wasn't super time consuming to do this. It did require some help, so if you decide to do something like this, I would recommend an extra set of hands. But here it is, all complete. And it stands between 7 and 8 feet tall. I can touch the tip of it. It is approximately 73, 74 inches across at the base. And that's it. I hope this gave you some ideas if you plan on attempting something like this on your own. There's a ton of ways to do this type of thing. This was the simplest way I could think to do it. I didn't have to do any math. Everything was pretty straightforward. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.